Developing right now, there's another deadly crash at a highway construction site. It is the second work zone death in just 2 days. This one happened on Highway 610 in Maple Grove. The State Patrol says a contractor was standing in a closed construction zone when a dump truck hit and killed him. No other vehicles were involved, and there's no word on the contractor's name right now. And this comes after a man died in a work zone just yesterday. A construction truck hit and killed 29-year-old Pierre Mack while he was working on 35W in Burnsville. As Jonah Kaplan reports, Mack's father says he can't fully grieve the loss without more answers about what happened.
And I'm always texting him about, be safe. Be careful out there. I'm trying to figure out how did he get ran over? How? Where was the spotter? I don't think my son would have got killed if he would have had somebody by that boom truck directing that man, telling him what not to do.
Bernard Harris wants answers about his son's death. On Thursday, the Minnesota Department of Labor and Industry opened an investigation that Harris hopes will reveal that information. What we know, Pierre Mack was killed Wednesday morning just before 9 a.m. It's the 5th construction-related death in Minnesota this year, the first at a MnDOT site since 2023.
You're going to not let my son go in vain. He is somebody. His name is Pierre Mack. And he worked through MnDOT.
There's no question we hear and feel the pain in your voice. And maybe there's no way to ever get rid of that pain. But there could be a way to prevent another tragedy.
Sure can, by them upping their safety equipment. They should have cameras on the back of them trucks. They should have monitors outside them trucks. If them cameras ain't working, fix them.
Federal law requires all trucks under 10,000 pounds to have backup cameras, but the rule only applies to vehicles made since 2018. The rule also doesn't apply to trucks heavier than 10,000 pounds. Minnesota laws also require specific lighting for construction vehicles so they can be seen up to 60 feet away. Those are just some of the standards state investigators will now review as they visit the site and interview both employees and employers over the next several days and weeks. It's an excruciating wait for Bernard Harris.
Just wake up knowing that he's still there in your life, in spirit. That's all.
We're still working to find the names of the name of the companies where these contractors worked and what the state of the investigation is right now.